Auscultation. Medicine, diagnosis of disorders by listening to the sounds of the internal organs, usually using a stethoscope. A U S C U L T A T I O N. Auscultation.